Now let us solve one of the problem using the periodic functions period 2 pi or 2l. Let us see. So you should decide that whether the given problem is period 2l or period 2 pi. Okay. So this is the given problem. Find a Fourier series in the interval minus pi to pi to represent the function x minus x square, x minus x square. Now you require to find out first what is the period of the given problem. So I told you that this is upper limit, this is lower limit. Go with solution. So find out the periodicity. Upper limit pi minus of minus pi, which is equal to pi minus of minus pi is plus pi, which is equal to period 2 pi. So you came to know that the given function is a period of 2 pi. So now you know the representation of Fourier series for period 2 pi. How the representation? The representation of Fourier series for period 2 pi is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx, remember cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx, always the coefficient of sin nx is bn, coefficient of cos nx is an. So this is constant term, so name this as equation star. Now we are going to find out the Fourier coefficients called a naught, an, bn. We are going to find out the Fourier coefficients called a naught, an, bn. What is an? A naught, what is a naught? A naught is equal to 1 by pi integral. See the limit, see the interval given interval is minus pi to pi f of x dx, so which is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi. What is f of x? The given for representing the function f of x is x minus x square dx. Now integrate this. Integral of x separately, integral of x square separately, integrate separately. So what you are going to get? Integral of x is x square by 2 minus integral of x square is x cube by 3, limit x equal to minus pi to plus pi, so which is equal to 1 by pi upper limit. Substitute. You always you know that how to substitute the limits here. Always upper limit minus lower limit for any function. How to substitute the limits? Upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 2 times of upper limit pi square. When I give x equal to pi square minus of minus lower limit minus pi whole square, minus 1 by 3 is constant, and now substitute the upper limit for x cube. It is pi cube minus of minus pi whole cube. So what you are going to get? 1 by 2 times of pi square minus pi the whole square. Minus pi the whole square is what? Therefore any negative value raised to even power becomes positive. Therefore you are left out with minus pi square. Minus pi square get cancelled, it is 0. Minus 1 by 3 times of pi cube minus pi odd power, it is minus 1. Minus 1 power 3 is what? Minus 1. So therefore you are left out with minus pi cube. Minus into minus plus pi cube. So therefore what is a naught? Now you are left out with a naught as what? A naught is equal to 1 by pi, this term is 0, minus 1 by 3 times of 2 pi cube, As these two are products, so we can cancel one term of pi, you are left out with pi square. So therefore a naught is what? A naught is minus 2 pi square by 3. Minus 2 pi square by 3. In the required solution, we required a naught by 2. Therefore, dividing both the side by 2, we are going to get a naught by 2. A naught by 2 is equal to 2 by 2 get cancelled. You are left out with minus pi square by 3. This is what a naught by 2. This is what a naught by 2. So you can minus pi square by 3. Minus pi square by 3. Now we shall find out an. An is given by what? 1 by pi integral. See the interval minus pi to pi. Substitute that minus pi to pi. F of x cos n x dx. Cos n x dx. What is given f of x here? Given f of x is x minus x square. Substitute that value 1 by pi. My integral minus pi to pi x minus x square into cos n x dx. So now apply Bernoulli's rule. We have integration of function. So apply Bernoulli's rule. So I will consider this algebraic function as u and trigonometric function as v. So therefore 1 by pi times of u, that is x minus x square, into integral of cos. Integral of cos is what? Sin n x divided by, we have nx here, derivative of nx is n divided by n, minus derivative of x minus x square is 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x. Derivative of x is what? 1. Derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of x square is 2x into integral of sin is minus cos n x divided by n we have already. So derivative of nx is n. So it becomes n into n square. Next plus derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of minus 2x is minus 2 into minus cos. Integral of cos is sin n x divided by n square into n becomes n cube. Here we have the limit x equal to minus pi to plus pi. So you have a knowledge of sin n pi, sin of minus n pi, all those things. So and also you should know what is cos n pi. We shall remember that one. So sin n pi is always 0. Sin n pi is 0. Cos n pi is minus 1 power n. So sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, and cos of minus theta is cos theta. So using all this condition, the limits, sin n pi is what? Sin n pi is 0. Sin n pi is 0. Next lower limit, go with lower limit, minus pi. Sin of minus n pi. Sin of minus n pi. Sin of minus theta is what? Minus sin theta. So you are left out with minus sin n pi. Minus sin n pi is also what? 0. So therefore upper limit minus lower limit is tending to 0. Same way the third term is also leads to 0. You are left out with only these two terms. Product of these two terms, minus into minus becomes what? Plus. So an is equal to 1 by pi minus into minus plus 1 minus 2x into cos n x divided by n square we have, we can take out that term outside, divided by n square becomes n square. So the limit is x equal to minus pi to pi. Now substitute the limits. So an equal to 1 by n square pi into upper limit, substitute upper limit when x equal to pi, 1 minus 2 pi into cos n pi minus of 1 minus, when you give x equal to minus pi, minus 2 into minus pi, it becomes minus into minus plus 2 pi, 1 plus 2 pi into cos of minus theta. What is cos of minus theta? Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So likewise it becomes cos n pi. So now you know what is cos n pi value. Substitute the values of, now you know the value of cos n pi. Substitute the value of cos n pi. n square pi into 1 minus 2 pi into minus 1 power n minus of minus 1 plus 2 pi into minus 1 power n. Now we have a common term called minus 1 power n. Take out that and simplify it further. Minus 1 power n by n square pi into 1 minus 2 pi minus 1 minus 2 pi minus 1 minus 2 pi. So you are left out with what? You are left out with 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Minus 2 pi minus 2 pi is what? Minus 4 pi minus 4 pi into minus 1 power n divided by n square pi. Here pi get cancelled. So by knowing the laws of indices, a power n into a power m is what? A power n plus m. Knowing this condition, so we can apply minus 1 power 1 into minus 1 power n. Minus 1 power 1 into minus 1 power n is what? Minus 1 power n plus 1. Minus 1 power n plus 1. So which is therefore an is what? Minus 1 power n plus 1. 4 times of minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n square. Now we shall note down the value of an. An value is what? 4 into minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n square. What is the value of an? Now we are going to find out the value of bn. So bn is given by what? 1 by pi. What is the interval? Minus pi to pi. So it is minus pi to pi f of x sin n x dx. Sin nx dx. Now apply substitute the function f of x here. F of x is given by x minus x square integral minus pi to pi x minus x square sin n x. Now again apply Bernoulli's rule, since we have integrand as function of function, so which is equal to 1 by pi. Consider algebraic function as u and trigonometric function as v. So x minus x square into integral of sin nx is cos minus cos integral of sin nx is what? Minus cos nx divided by n minus derivative of x minus x square. Derivative of x is what? 1. Derivative minus derivative of x square is what? 2x into integral of minus cos is minus sin n x divided by n square. Now differentiation of 1 is next, plus derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of minus 2x is minus 2 into integral of minus sin. Integral of sin is itself minus cos, so minus into minus plus cos n x divided by n square into n becomes n cube. Limit x equal to minus pi to pi. So as we did in the previous problem, that is for while finding an, so we came to know what is sin n pi value becomes it's 0. So that term has been terminated to 0. Your left out terms are bn. You are left out with bn as bn equal to 1 by pi minus 1 by n we have. So that can be written as minus multiplied here x square minus x into cos n x divided by n. Here we have again minus term here, minus 2 by n cube into cos n x, limit x equal to minus pi to pi. Limit x equal to minus pi to pi. So 1 by pi, substitute the limits now. We have 1 over n, take out that common term, 1 over n. Apply the upper limit, x equal to pi square minus pi into cos n pi minus lower limit. Substitute the lower limit, that is what we have, pi minus pi the whole square becomes pi square minus into minus plus pi, minus into minus plus pi. When x equal to minus pi, minus into minus plus pi, cos of minus theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, so therefore it is cos n pi, cos n pi. Now go with the substituting in the second term, minus 2 by n cube times of cos upper limit cos n pi minus cos of what is cos of minus theta? Cos of minus theta is cos theta, therefore cos n pi. So therefore cos n pi get cancelled. You are left out with these two terms. So therefore 1 by pi into 1 by n times of pi square minus pi into minus 1 power n. Since cos n pi value is what? Minus 1 power n, minus pi square plus pi into minus 1 power n. So again what you have common term here? Minus 1 power n, minus 1 power n. You can take out that minus 1 power n, minus 1 power n divided by pi into 1 by n. You can also take out 1 by n. You are left out with pi square minus pi multiply by minus here, minus pi square minus pi. Which term will be get cancelled here? Pi square minus pi square get cancelled. You are left out with minus pi is what? Minus 2 pi into this constant. Minus 2 pi into that constant is what? Minus 1 power n divided by n pi. So here pi get cancelled. Pi get cancelled. Finally Bn is what? Bn is minus 2 into minus 1 power n divided by n. Now again applying laws of indices, it can be written as 2 times of minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n. So you came to know what is Bn. Note down that Bn value. Bn is what? 2 into minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n. Yeah, now substituting all these set of values in equation star, what you are going to get? Therefore f of x is equal to, a naught by 2 is what? Minus pi square by 3 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. An is what? 4 times of minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n square. 4 times of minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n square into cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Bn is what? Bn is 2 times of minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n. 2 times of minus 1 power n plus 1 divided by n sin n x. This is the required Fourier series of the given function. This interval can be asked in another way called 0 to 2 pi. In case if they ask 0 to 2 pi, change the integral as 0 to 2 pi, that's all. You should make only this changes, that's all. In the while finding Fourier coefficients a naught, an, bn, change the integral limits as 0 to 2 pi. If they give the interval as instead of minus pi to pi, if they give 0 to 2 pi, change the integral limits as 0 to 2 pi, that's all, nothing else there. Okay, don't get confused over that. It is very simple, the problem is very simple. Yeah, in this session we will solve more problems on Fourier series. So consider this problem. Find a Fourier series in the interval 0, 2 pi for the function e power x. So go with the solution. So given function is what? F of x is equal to e power x. Given function is what? F of x equal to e power x. Given function is e power x. Now we should find the periodicity. So upper limit 2 pi minus 0, which is equal to 2 pi. So the given function, we can say that therefore the given function is of period 2 pi. Therefore the given function is of period 2 pi. So for period 2 pi, you know the how to write the Fourier series for the given period 2 pi. It is given by what? F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n x plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity b n sin n x. Name this as equation star. Now we shall find out the Fourier coefficients called a naught, a n, b n. So what is a naught? What is a naught? What is a naught? 1 by pi integral. Observe the given interval. I have told you in the last class how to represent the integral limits using the given interval. So given interval is 0 to 2 pi. So just substitute the limits as 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, f of x dx. So which is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. What is the given function f of x here? E power x dx. So what is the integral of e power x? Integral of e power x is e power x itself. Integral of e power x is e power x, limits x equal to 0 to 2 pi. Now substitute the limit. Substitute upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit is e power 2 pi, x equal to e power 2 pi minus e power 0 is what? E power 0 is 1. So therefore you came to know what is a naught. A naught, we required in the given expression, we required a naught by 2. So divide by 2, we get a naught by 2 is equal to e power 2 pi minus 1 divided by 2 pi is nothing but a naught by 2. Now note down what is a naught by 2. A naught by 2 is what? A naught by 2 is what? E power 2 pi minus 1 divided by 2 pi. E power 2 pi minus 1 divided by, what is a naught by 2? E power 2 pi minus 1 divided by 2 pi. Now we shall find out a n. How we represent a n? 1 by pi integral given interval 0 to 2 pi, integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cos n x dx. So what is f of x? Given f of x is e power x cos n x dx. Now we should apply Bernoulli's rule here, but this term will not be terminated. So we have a standard formula which you have studied in lower cadre. So you know that you have that awareness, you know very well of that formula, as it was one of the important problem in plus 2. So integral of e power ax into cos bx dx, integral of e power ax cos bx dx is given by what? E power ax divided by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. Yeah, you know the formula. What is that formula? E power ax divided by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. Now compare this with the given integrand, with the known integrand. What does a represents here? Here a value is what? A equal to, go with the comparison of e power ax here. A value is 1 and b is what here? Compare with cos bx. Cos bx is related to cos nx here. B value is n. So therefore substitute the values of a and b in this formula. We get a n equal to 1 by pi e power x divided by 1 square is 1 plus b square is nothing but b is nothing but n, so it becomes n square into 1 into cos nx plus n into sin nx. Now the limit is what? X equal to 0 to 2 pi. X equal to 0 to 2 pi. So in the last class we should remember that what is sin n pi? Sin n pi is what? 0. Sin 0 is what? 0. Therefore this term is what? 0. Upper limit minus lower limit will be tending to 0. So you are left out with 1 by, you have a constant term, you can take out that 1 by pi into 1 plus n square into e power x into cos nx, limit x equal to 0 to 2 pi, x equal to 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, 1 by pi into n square plus 1 into e upper limit e power 2 pi into cos 2n pi, 2n pi. When I give x equal to 2 pi, it becomes 2n pi minus e power 0 value is 1, cos 0 value is 1. So what is cos of even pi? Cos of even pi is plus 1. Cos of even pi is what? Plus 1. Cos of even pi is plus 1. So you are left out with e power 2 pi minus 1 divided by pi into n square plus 1. That is what? an. That is what? an. This is an. Let us note down what is the value of an. an is what? an is e power 2 pi minus 1 divided by pi into n square plus 1. Now let us find out bn value. Now let us find out bn value. Bn represents what? Bn equal to 1 by pi integral, the interval is 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi f of x sin n x dx, sin n x dx. So which is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. What is f of x? X minus x. What is f of x? It is, what is f of x here? What is f of x? It is e power x sin n x dx, sin n x dx. Again you should apply UV rule here. When you apply Bernoulli's rule, the term will not be terminated to 0. So we have a standard formula which we have studied in plus 2. So what is that formula? We know that integral of e power ax into sin bx dx is what? E power ax divided by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. So now comparing the integrand, what is a, what is b? What is a, what is b? Here a equal to 1 and b equal to n. A equal to 1, here a equal to 1 and b equal to n. So therefore bn is what? E power x 1 by pi into e power x divided by a square. What is the value of a? 1. 1 square is 1. What is the value of b? N. So it is n square into 1 into sin nx minus n into cos nx, limit x equal to 0 to 2 pi. When I substitute the limits, upper limit and lower limit, so sin 2n pi is 0, sin 0 is 0. Therefore we can take it off that term. So you are left out with minus n cos nx with this term. So therefore we can take out the constant term minus n by n square plus 1 into pi e power x into cos nx, x equal to 0 to 2 pi. So what I have done here? I have taken out minus n divided by 1 plus n square outside, and I have written the remaining term as e power x into cos nx. Now apply the limits for that. So you are left out with minus n divided by n square plus 1 into pi into upper limit e power 2 pi into cos 2n pi minus e power 0 is 1 minus lower limit x equal to 0, e power 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1. So therefore cos 2n pi is what? 1. So therefore you are left out with minus n into e power 2 pi minus 1 whole divided by pi into n square plus 1, or we can write finally bn as what? Multiplying by minus sign, 1 minus e power 2 pi n divided by pi into n square plus 1. So note down this value, note down the value of bn, note down the value of bn. Bn is what? 1 minus e power 2 pi into n divided by pi into n square plus 1. Now substituting all these values in equation star. So therefore equation star f of x becomes what? F of x is equal to a naught by 2 is what? E power 2 pi minus 1 divided by 2 pi plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. An is what? An is what? An is e power 2 pi minus 1 divided by pi into n square plus 1. E power 2 pi minus 1 divided by pi into n square plus 1 into cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Bn is what? Bn is 1 minus e power 2 pi n divided by n square plus 1 pi into sin n x is the required Fourier series for the given function e power x. There is a chance of asking, instead of e power x, there is a chance of asking general form e power ax. You should know the awareness of integral of e power ax. E power ax integral is e power ax divided by a. A may be any value, they can give any value like e power 2x, e power x by 2, whatever they can give. So you should know how to integrate that problem, and then you can solve by as we solved for this problem.